kami sa high-end store.
You cannot go, sorry.
No?
We have the 20.
We just walk up there,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay.
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 This is our hotel. Yeah, that one. Yeah, ito yung hotel namin. Cute siya, mga kaasam. Tapos, I will show you ang stairs na nakakadiwalwal ng dila. Ito yung, pinaka-shower nila, mga kaasam. Look at the shower. Oh, diba, ang liit. Ang liit, diba? Isa lang tao yan. Pero at least may, siya, may washroom, may tubig. That's the most important. Wala pong aircon dito, mga kaasam. At saka 200 ang per night euro money. It's not dollar. Ganun lang kaliit. Ayun, tapos ito, nalagyan ng mga nila, luggage. Ayan. But it's worth. Nakapunta ng France. That's the most important. Ayan, electric pan lang kami.
Location.
The location too is close to the Notre Dame and high-end store. My Louis Vuitton is there. We'll see that later. Okay. Tonight we're going to the Eiffel Tower to see the lights down there. Let's go. Ayan, pupunta na kami alas 5 na ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa, mga kaasam. Punta kami sa Eiffel Tower. Pakita ko sa inyo yung hagdanan namin dito. Okay, mga kaasam, let's go. Ito yung hagdanan, mga kaasam. Kaya, okay namin. Cowboy naman kaming dalawa. Ayan. Third floor kami. Nasa third floor. Crooked stairs. Yan. Ito na pong pinakami na hotel. Oh, okay. Ayan yung labasan ng aming hotel. Where are we going? Pwede rin naman mag-bike.
Next day, and on Thursday.
Okay. So where are you gonna get that?
Right there.
Tuesday pa ito ng hapon, mga kaasam. First day and first night namin dito. Kaya let's go! Let's rock and roll! Yan ang mga high-end store. Nandyan sila, oh. Ang Louis Vuitton nandun banda. We're gonna go there later. Or tomorrow. Ito yung labasan ng aming hotel. Of course, ang Louis Vuitton, mga kaazam. Ayan, oh. Parang nakakahiyang pumasok. Where's the entrance? Here?
No, I think this is the opposite.
Oh. Oh, di ba nakakahiyang pumasok? Wala naman akong pera doon. Hanggang lang ako tingin. Hindi ko naman kaya bilhin. Mahal. Parang ayaw ko tulang humawak. Ayan, pink. Ay, I like that. Parang gusto ko to. Pero alam niyo kung magkano? 3,000. That's a chocolate Louis Vuitton. Oh my God. Chocolate yan ha, mga kasam. Hindi yan ano,
Yeah.
decoration.
Turning 0.9.
That's the river thing.
Oh, that down there. I guess it's for way down.
Oh. Oh, that's nice. Ayun, may Prada doon. Oh. Nawala. Oh, you go on the right. Ah, sorry. You should stay in the right.
Yeah.
We're here. We're still gonna walk, right, hon?
Oh, not far. No, we're actually.
Oh, nice. Where's the Eiffel Tower? Eiffel.
Oh, yeah. We get pictures.
Yeah,
Well, it says the right
with the horse. We're here. Look at that.
Actually, walk over.
Oh, it's not that night yet. Ayan, andito na talaga ako kay Eiffel Tower. Pwede kaming maglakad-lakad dyan, pero pahinga-pahinga muna. Ito na po ang France.
I don't know where to eat.
I saw something like pizza there.
No, I'm in the.
Tomorrow, andyan kami dahil pupunta kami dyan sa pinaka-tower. Nag-book kami for our restaurant. First dinner dito sa Paris. Walang rice. Tingnan yung mushroom dito. Press this open. Cool. Ito po yung soup may makakaasama yan. Madulas-dulas. O, diba? Okay. gabi na, 10 o'clock na, pero hindi pa madilim. Naubusan ako ng battery, kaya magpapaalam na ako. No battery. Ayan oh. Kaya hindi ko makikita ang lights sa tower. Thank you everyone. Pagod-pagod na. Bye-bye. Yan, bumili talaga ako ng charger, mga kaasam. Hintayin ko talaga ang lights. Ayan, 25 euro ang charger. Alas 10 na kasi, 10 and 13 na. Hindi pa madilim. Ayan, may lights na.
Ultra,
Huh?
like ultra, that's supposed to be ultra. I just go there and see it. Well, that's what I'm looking at.
Yan, pauli na kami mga kaasam. Malapit ng alas 11, wala pa rin ano. Hindi pa dumilim. Maaga pa kami bukas dahil meron kaming tower dyan. Akyat kami dyan. Kaya, pahinga na pag may time. Yan, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. It's 11:30 na. Hindi pa madilim. Dito sa Paris. Bye-bye.
Yep. Oop, oop.
Oh, wait, I have a flash on.
That's it?
No, I like.
I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're never